Back to Cook with Regina, where every dish tells a story. Today, we are preparing one of Ghana's street food, charcoal grilled tilapia with fried yam. I bet you will love this recipe. Let's get started. We sweep the compound to keep it tidy and bring in our ingredients. We then pour water onto the tilapia, wash thoroughly to make sure it's well clean. Cut and squeeze the lemon onto the tilapia, wash again and again till it's finally well dressed. We put the pepper, garlic and ginger into the earthenware bowl and begin to grind. We add the natural spices and salt and continue to grind. We continue to wash the tilapia with the lemon, put it into the calabash, set it aside and continue with the grinding. Add a little Maggie and grind together. We wash the chopping board and begin to work on the tilapia. Add onion and a little oil and grind together. We now begin to season the tilapia with the grinded ingredients. We wrap the seasoned tilapia with a plantain leaf and set it aside to marinate for some time. We pour water onto the habanero pepper, spring onion, bell pepper, onion, wash it and get it ready for blending for our sauce. Add a little water and natural spices and begin to blend. We put a pan on fire, pour the blended ingredients into it and stir to create our sauce. We add our vegetable oil and keep stirring. We add powdered pepper and salt and continue to stir. We put the tilapia onto the metal on fire and rub oil over it and toss it till it's well grilled. We now begin to peel the yam and slice it into our preferable sizes and shape. you for coming. If today happens to be the first time you are watching us, you are warmly welcome. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments for more. God bless you all our subscribers. The love is deep. Keep supporting. We pour water onto the sliced yam in the calabash and wash it. Put a pan on fire, sprinkle salt onto the sliced yam, pour water onto it and wash again. Pour the oil into the pan on fire, leave it to be heated and put the yam into it to fry. We keep an eye on the tilapia and the low-medium heat and continue to stir the fried yam. Take the first batch of yam fry out of the oil. We now fry the second batch and take it off the fire as well. We now serve the yam and charcoal grilled tilapia on a plantain leaf and begin to enjoy. This is one of the best street food you can find in Ghana. Thank you for staying with us till now. We don't take your coming here for granted. We love you so much. Kindly subscribe, like, share and leave your comments, and don't forget to click on the notification button to be notified anytime we post a video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. It's Cook with Regina.